Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com. This is break number 181, 1314, totally certified. Here's your list of winning bidders. And we got a newcomer for this break. We got JJ Wingnut, so welcome to 643. Just a couple of things to go over before we start. First, we'll take a look at what our roulette board looks like. So we got green on 0 and 00. We got an orange chip on 5, green on 7, green on 11, 13, and 15. We've got green on 20, orange on 24 and 25, green on 29, and green on 32. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we'll give away one of the following cards. If we spin a green chip, we'll be giving away this Cody Eakin Rookie Treasures. And if we spin an orange chip, it'll be this Trilogy Signature Pucks of Cody Hodgson. In verses, we got the following two cards. We've got an Andre Pavlik jersey patch from Artifacts. And for black, we've got a Patrice Cormier jersey patch from Artifacts. So like the roulette bonus, every time we spin a number on the wheel, if it's a red or black number, the corresponding card will get a chip counter, and at the end of the break, whichever card has the most counters will be declared the victor and will be given away. Our short straw cards for today are as follows. We've got a Dominion base card of Michael Backlund for the Flames, and we've also got a Minnesota Wild Prism rookie of Jason Zucker. So those two cards will head out to two separate teams who fail to get hits during the regular portion of the break. This is our box of totally certified, but before we get to that, we'll spin our wheel just to start things off, and we will be refunding a team for this break. So that is going to be going to team number 18. And team 18 is going to be the Winnipeg Jets. So Winnipeg in this break is owned by the real Kennedy. So I will be refunding that one to you a little bit later. So congratulations. Here's our serial number for the box. It is NE190872415. So here's our packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Empty box. Start things from the top and work our way down. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Starting things off with the Montreal Canadiens and Carey Price. Following that is Jimmy Howard for the Wings, and our first hit is a rookie of Matt Dumba for the Minnesota Wild. Minnesota is owned by P123PC. So we'll get to your first strike bonus in just a second. Behind that for the New York Islanders, it is a mirror red jersey auto of Brock Nelson for the Islanders and P123PC. So that one was numbered 13 out of 25. Nice hit there for the Islanders. Orange jersey swatch. And Jonas Hiller for the Ducks. And our first strike winner, P123PC, will be including a pack of 13-14 Select in your package. So there you go. That is our first strike winner. Pack number 2. That'll feature Corey Crawford for the Blackhawks, Jason Spezza for the Senators. We got a rookie card of Quentin Howden for the Florida Panthers. That one will be heading to P123PC. Behind that for the Minnesota Wild. Wow! A rookie roll call green, number 2 out of 5. Number 2 out of 5. I guess that is going to be a tag. That one is heading to P123PC, cleaning up this break so far with 2 packs to go. So very nice hit there. And closing off that pack, we got Duchesne for the Avalanche. Alright, we have Kadri for the Leafs, Couturier for the Flyers, and then you got a rookie card of Jack Campbell for the Dallas Stars. That'll be heading to Golf Nut. And behind that for the Buffalo Sabres, where a totally certified jersey of Jonas Enroth. That one's going to be heading to Codfishy. And we got Roman Josi for the Preds. And our last pack. We've got Martin Erat for the Capitals. Behind there for the Detroit Red Wings, we got a red parallel of Jimmy Howard. That one will be heading to JJ Wingnut. That one is numbered 40 out of 100. Behind that, we got a rookie. It is Brendan Gallagher. That'll be heading to the Canadians and Bummer Boy. And behind that, for the Vancouver Canucks, we got a rookie auto of Joe Canada. That one's heading to downtown. From the back, we got Sean Horkoff for the Stars. And our last hit going to the Washington Capitals. It is Braden Holtby. Clear cloth with a red swatch. And that one is numbered 87 out of 100. '87 out of 100. And that'll be heading to P123PC. And that is our box. So next up, we'll be giving away a customer appreciation slot to the high roller for today's break. The high roller is the team that had the highest bid that failed to get a hit. So that one is going to be going to the, just give me a moment to take a look at my lists. That one is going to be going to the Edmonton Oilers and Bummer Boy. So Jack, you'll be getting spot number 20. Spot number 20. For our short straws, these are the teams that got hits during the break. So we'll shovel them off to the side. The remainder of the teams will all be combined into our cup, and they will be shaken around. The ducks go back in. So to recap, these are our two short straw cards. We got the Backlund Flames card and the Zucker Wild card. So we'll start off with Zucker and then do Backlund. So Zucker is going to the Ottawa Senators, and Backlund will be heading to the Nashville Predators. So those are your short straw winners. Next up, we'll spin our wheel and give away an additional customer appreciation slot. So that is going to be going to spot number 10. So team number 10 on the board is going to be the Washington Capitals. Washington is owned by P123PC. So you'll be taking home spot number 21. So congratulations. Box is almost filled up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 breaks to go. So in probably 3 weeks we'll break this box open, barring that I'm able to do 2 boxes a week for the next couple. So far on our roulette board, we've spun 2 numbers now, so we're going to spin our wheel 3 more times just to add a couple of more slots to the mix. So we're going to add red 5. And that is hard into red 18. And black 8. Alright, so we've got, these are the numbers that we spun: 18, 10, 5, 18, and 8. So we'll take a look down the line. So 18 is blank. Number 10 is blank. 8 is blank. And 5 is an orange chip. An orange chip means we'll be giving away this Trilogy Signature Pucks of Cody Hodgson, and that is a long time coming. This one has been on the board for what seems like months, and it just could never get given away. So we'll spin our wheel and see which team is going to be getting that one. And that is going to be team number 3. So team number 3 will claim the Hodgson Puck card. And that is going to be the Detroit Red Wings. Detroit Red Wings is owned by newcomer JJ Wingnut. So congratulations, JJ. That one will be heading your way. All right, that's the roulette card. And lastly, we'll take a look at versus. Kind of a little bit one-sided here. Our black card has 2 chips and our red card has 4. So the Pavlik card is going to be our card to give away. And we'll spin our wheel one last time and see who's going to be taking that one. And that is going to team number 9. And team number 9 is going to be the Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa Bay in this box is dubs88. So congratulations, T-Voth. Pabs is heading your way. And that is our break, so congratulations to everybody who got some hits. Hope you guys all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you again next time.